Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, you guys. So today's video is sponsored by QT Hair. So they did send over this 5x5 glueless kinky straight bob for me to try out for you guys. So right now I'm just showing you guys everything that came along with this wig, you guys. They did send a comb, a brush, and an edge comb and brush. They also sent a wig cap. So let's go ahead and get into this wig, you guys. Like I said, this is 12 inch. It is 5x5 and it is 180% density. And yes, it's a bob. Kinky straight, y'all. Right? So when I first opened this package, y'all, I was super surprised of how thick and full this wig is. Okay, y'all, this wig is so full. It's really giving about 200% density. Look at the ends, y'all, all the way thick to the ends. All right, y'all, so this wig does come pre-cut. It does come with an elastic band, and it also comes with 2 clips, one in the middle of the wig and one at the back.
I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. See, we was cool right before it hit the fence, but it hit the fan when I got him down at the bench. But I took a break, I had to leave and go get cleansed. God forgive me for all my sins. I can't say these cause my last name ain't Kent. Cooking on the stove, that's the way he paid the rent. Working on the pole, that's the way she paid tuition. Better watch your soul, cause you know they trying to get it. Yeah. I learned my right from wrong on a song. I let my heart bleed on my sleeve through microphones. I'm trying to right my wrongs by writing out my wrongs. Ran through a check, cause it's hard to live off bread alone. So if you see me slipping, yeah, let me know. Cause it ain't the end of times yet, I know, but it's getting close. Yeah, I need my space to breathe, that's why I be going ghost. I ain't trying to stay up on that wide road, cause I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. They thinking I'm bluffing, but I promise I do it. That K got a drum, like murder and booming. Sending you vert, if I get my little Uzi. They thinking I'm crazy.
Alright, y'all, so right now I'm just adjusting the wig to my head, making sure it's comfortable, and y'all, it's super snug, and it feels so good. It feels lightweight, actually. I just keep running my fingers through this hair because I'm just so surprised of how full this hair is, y'all. I promise you, this is the best bob that I've had since doing wig reviews, and I promise that's no exaggeration, y'all. This may be my favorite texture when it comes to getting a bob. I think I found the texture that I actually love and that works for me. Okay, so upon me playing with this hair, I did go in and put some of my heat protectant on this hair. We don't want to damage it, so I did put some heat protection on it. And I am going to be going in with some of my wax stick, you guys, and I will show you guys everything that I actually use in the video.
See you to hate this. People I'm saying, get what I'm painting. A picture big, I call it little baby. If I'm on the board, then we playing chess. If you on my way, you gon' need a vest. Act big, you might get stretched. All your gun talk, I ain't impressed. My 40.
So I did go in with concealer around the perimeter of the wig, and I did go in with concealer on the lace of this wig as well.
On my way, you gon' need a vest. Act big, you might get stretched. All your gun talk, I ain't impressed. My 45 seen real traffic. That's Dallas, Texas. My little partner called a body for a Maserati. He told him get up out the car, hit him with the shotty. That 12 gauge gave him life in the 12th grade. I tried to write him, but we ain't on the same page. I caught him slipping, I just had to let him know. It ain't the end of times yet, I know, but it's getting close. These demons really out to get you, so you better guard your post. There's certain things I could probably let go, but I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. I can't let them take my soul.
So this was a quick and easy install, you guys. All I did was go in with my hot comb at the top of this wig to press it down, and then I did go in with my flat iron as well, just to make sure everything was blended seamlessly as it was, you guys. This is going to be my birthday wig, you guys. So when your girl pop out on her birthday with this wig on, baby, don't be surprised, because y'all, this wig got me in a chokehold. I'm not even gonna lie. Wait till husband sees it. He's gonna love this, y'all. He's really gonna love it. Y'all, this wig, like I said, was so easy to install. It's so convenient. You don't have to do a lot of work to this wig, y'all. That is what is a plus. Like, all the hard work is taken out, you know, for you. And not having to cut lace. I know a lot of people don't know how to cut lace off their wigs. So getting a wig that has pre-cut lace, all the things you need, okay? Yeah, y'all, I love it so much. Like, I just could not keep my hands out of this hair. It was so flowy, and it was so full at the same time, y'all. As you can see, baby, ain't no jagged ends. Baby, it looks so good, y'all. I love this wig. This is my favorite bob wig. So all summer, when I want a bob, this is the wig that I will be going to. Also, ladies, let me not forget to tell you guys that I do have a discount code. So definitely utilize my discount code for this bob, y'all. Go get you some hair, because, y'all, I promise you, you will not regret it. This hair is top tier, okay? So I will have it in my description box for you. Alright, y'all, so this right here is the finishing look of today's hair, y'all. I am in love. I love it so much. Looks so good, y'all. All I did was flat iron this hair, y'all. It looks so good, y'all. It's so crazy to me how good this bob actually looks, because when I actually always install bobs, I always have to end up cutting a little bit off the ends. And being that this wig is so full to the ends, y'all, I didn't have to cut anything. Alright, y'all, so big shout out to QT Hair for sponsoring today's video. Make sure you guys check out all my information in my description box below on this company. I will have all the details to this wig there, you guys. So make sure you shop with the company. Use my discount code as well. Don't forget, if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.